be a better parent by saying yes more. तो ये no के शब्द है, that's a very small word, just 2 letters, N-O, but it's very powerful and it's very impactful. You know, अगर आप consciously सोचोगे कि हर एक दिन में as a parent, how many times do we say no? ऊपर मत चढ़ो, भागो नहीं, दौड़ो नहीं, कपड़े गीले करो नहीं. You know, don't do this, don't do that, don't do this, don't do that. How many times do we say that no? You know, if we are at the receiving end of all those no's, then we will get really irritated, right? And over time हमको ऐसे लगेगा कि we'll just tune out, हम सुनेंगे भी नहीं. तो बच्चे रहने दीजिएगा. तो बच्चे दौड़ेंगे, बच्चे भागेंगे. That is all things that will make them kids. अगर कोई एक लड़का एक जगह पे ऐसे चुपचाप बैठा है, कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है, 10 मिनट के लिए एकदम शांत बैठा है, तो I would look at that child and wonder what's wrong with him, because बच्चे ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. अगर पेरेंट्स का आप as a parent आपका एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है कि बच्चे ये प्रकार से बिहेव करें, तो I'm going to look at you and wonder what's wrong with you, because the whole expectation is wrong. You cannot expect a kid to just sit in one place and not do anything and just be quiet and calm. चुपचाप ऐसे बैठे रहे, तो we should have gotten a toy instead, right? So let kids be kids. They will cry, they will shout, they will fall down, they will get messy, they will get dirty. So ये सब चीज होगा. We have also crossed our childhood days before we became an adult. So बच्चों, when they try out new things, these are some things that happen naturally. So when you say no more, दो चीजें होते हैं. One is they become very scared to try out new things. So as they grow up, when they maybe get into college, तो मैं बोलूँगा कि आप स्टेज पे और कुछ बात करो. Then the child will be like, no ma'am, मुझे नहीं करना है, मुझे स्टेज पे नहीं आना है. क्यों नहीं आना है? क्योंकि मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. क्यों डर लगता है? बिकॉज मैंने इसके पहले ये किया ही नहीं. क्यों नहीं किया? क्योंकि मेरे मम्मा पापा ने मुझे नया थिंग्स ट्राई करने के लिए encourage ही नहीं किया. So that's what will happen. So we want our kids to be very confident, so we will have to say yes more. And second thing that could happen is, when you keep saying no more, there are chances that the child could turn out to be a rebel. As in, आपके पीछे बात वो सब चीजें करेंगे जो आपने नहीं बोला. For instance, I had a friend of mine who was like totally behind her son who was in 9th standard. So one day we went shopping, so we got late. So she called them up and she said, dining table पे lunch पड़ा है, आप जैसे 2 o'clock घर आते हो, you ensure that you have your lunch. So we come back at 6:37 and this is what we see. The son is just lying on the sofa, he's watching TV, and he is not changed out of his uniform. His school bag, his lunch bag, his shoes, his socks, everything is just strewn in the hall. And he has not touched the lunch on the dining table. Big box of snacks is just lying next to him on the floor. So he has just been happily watching TV and snacking all day. Now, if my question is, if you're not even able to make or instill the habit of changing out of a uniform in a 9th standard student, then what is the whole point in parenting? हम इतने पीछे पड़ते हैं किसके लिए, right? So when you are in the room with a kid, don't think that you have to exert control over everything that they are doing. You don't have to. You can just let kids be kids. थोड़े देर आप चुप भी रह सकते हो. If you are behind them criticizing everything that they are doing, no, ऐसे मत करो, वैसे मत करो, ये मत करो, ये मत करो, ऐसे मत करो. You're not being a parent, you're just becoming a very controlling person, and it's very bad for the kid. Alright, अब जितने भी ज़्यादा ये करोगे, the kid will start, hating themselves. आपको hate नहीं करेंगे, उनको hate करेंगे, अपने आप को hate करेंगे, and that's not good for the kid. So ensure that you're, a yes parent. You say yes more. So does that mean that I have to say yes all the time? Not necessary. But at least consider the request. अगर बच्चे ने पूछे कि मम्मा मैं 5 मिनट और नहाऊं क्या? इसमें कौन सी बड़ी चीज है? You can allow that. You don't have to immediately say no, no, no. So don't be a default no sayer. हमको ही पता नहीं चलता है कि हम कब ऐसे बन गए कि हम ओवर टाइम हमारे मुंह से बस नो ही निकल रहा है. तो ऑन एन ऑटो पायलट वी कीप सेइंग नो. सो डोंट डू दैट. यू कैन इंस्टेड कंसिडर द रिक्वेस्ट. वो जो भी पूछ रहे हैं उसको पहले आप सुन लीजिएगा एंड आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाई नॉट. इसमें कौन सी बड़ी चीज है, क्यों नहीं ये कर सकता है. इफ देन गो अहेड एंड से यस. तो मैं 5 मिनट और नहाऊं, व्हाई नॉट. यस, आई डोंट वांट टू वेयर दिस ड्रेस, कैन आई वेयर दैट ड्रेस. ओके, यस. कैन आई गो आउट एंड प्ले. यस. कैन आई डू सम मोर कलरिंग. यस, व्हाई नॉट. कैन आई वॉच 5 more minutes of TV. Maybe, yes. So say that yes more often so that बच्चों को ये लगे कि ठीक है मम्मा मेरी बात भी सुन रही है. इट्स नॉट दैट शी इज ऑलवेज नॉट सेइंग नो. एंड आप ऐसे बिहेवियर कल्टिवेट करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हेन यू से नो सो द किड विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट ठीक है मम्मा समटाइम्स यस बोलती है, आई एम हैप्पी विद दैट. सो मम्मा जब नो बोलती है तब भी मुझे सुनने का है ना. तो यू विल डू बोथ ऑफ दिस. So be a yes parent. And how to decide, ये हम कैसे decide करेंगे कि whether do we want to say yes or no. तो the rule that I follow is very simple. I just ask myself this question. अगर मैंने ये yes बोला या no बोला, इसमें ये बच्ची की 20 years के बाद की जिंदगी में कुछ फर्क होने वाला है कि नहीं. अगर कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है तो I just say yes. And there are few things that are very close to me for which I would definitely say no. So except for those things, any other thing that they ask me, I say pretty much yes all the time. So can I take 5 more minutes of bath? Okay, yes. And थोड़े बच्चे ऐसे भी होते हैं कि आप 1 घंटे की भी उनको नहाने के लिए टाइम दिए तो after that 1 hour they'll still ask you, Mama, can I do 5 more minutes? है ना. तो those are called default negotiators. They're very good at negotiating. सबके लिए मम्मा ये मैं करूँ क्या, ये थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा करूँ क्या. तो आपको 1 टॉफी है, मम्मा मुझे 2 टॉफी मिल सकते हैं क्या. Automatically they will start doing that negotiating. They're doing that because maybe you have been too critical with them in the past. So start considering the request and pick your battles wisely. हमको पता चलना चाहिए कि किस चीज़ पे हमको do we have to make a point and किस चीज़ को maybe we just have to let it go. So I have a rule at my house कि कपड़े की मामले में तो I have 2 kids, 7 and 3. So I tell them that at home you can wear anything that you want to, but when we have to go out I'll pick 3 dresses for you and वो 3 पे से आप कुछ चॉइस करो. तो थोड़ा स्मार्ट भी होना पड़ता है हमको. तो जो चॉइसेस आप दे रहे हो it's like I'm giving them 3 options and all 3 are okay with me. Anything that they choose from the 3 is fine with me. So or another time, do you want to take bath now or do you want to take bath maybe after 10 minutes? So they'll say after 10 minutes. Both of this is okay with me. So हमको थोड़ा so the trick is include them in the decision making. अगर बच्चों को लगता है कि मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं अभी नहीं नहाऊंगी, 10 मिनट के बाद नहाऊंगी, तो there are more chances that they'll follow it. They are more likely to do it if they have made that decision. So be a yes parent so that your kids know what it is to take a decision and to also understand the responsibilities that come, the consequences that come behind that decision. So when you keep criticizing your kids, they don't stop loving you, but they stop loving themselves. And another interesting